So you've put in the order for your new windows, you're excited, you can't wait for them to arrive. Well, back here, they've got to build them, and this is how it starts. An enormous pane of glass, right?
It is, Andrew. This is actually a piece of glass that's 102 inches by 130 inches. We're going to cut this into multiple different lights for different windows. And we have a pretty cool machine that I can show you how that works. So Andrew, we got to get this piece of glass down onto that table. When you watch my guy do it, he's just going to flip this piece of glass and let it go. The table's pushing air up, so it's got something to land on.
So it cushions as it comes down.
Yep, so we catch it on the table, and then we're going to slide it down into this next machine, which is called our optimizer. This is a machine that looks at about the next 25 units that we need to build, and it's going to take that piece of glass and get about a 90% yield out of it. So Andrew, after it comes out of the optimizer, we've got all these cuts on it. We're going to have a bunch of different pieces of glass. This is our break table. The gentleman that worked this table can actually look on that screen, see where the glass is cut, break it into the piece, put it onto the cart over here so that we can send it to the next station. So Andrew, the next step in the process is we've got a piece of glass to make a window out of. There's another piece of glass that matches this, and we have to get them both clean so that we can provide you, the homeowner, the cleanest window we can make. We bring it over here, we put it onto the wash, and it's going to go into this machine. This machine is going to clean the top surface of glass very, very well. So Andrew, as the glasses come out, again, that upper surface is clean. So we have that clean surface sitting here. Then we're going to lay our spacer system on. We'll put that on there, and then when the next piece of glass comes, the upper surface is clean. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that and we're going to flip it over. So now the clean surface is on the downside, and we're going to set it on top. And then from there, we're going to roll it into this machine, which is our oven. This is going to heat up the sealing compounds to seal the unit together. Here's where we start making the actual window frame. We have a ticket here that's your window, and it's going to tell me, I punch in the number, how long a piece I need to cut. This is our welder. So what we're going to do is key in again that same order number. He's going to lay in a piece here and a piece here. It's going to clamp down onto it, and then he's going to hit a button, and now this is going to spread out. And then he's going to put the vertical pieces in as well. And then this plate right here is a heating element. It's Teflon coated, and what it's going to do is these are going to open back up to separate the miter. We're going to slide that in, push the vinyl onto it so it can heat up and melt. When it's at the right temperature, the plate will pull out. These two arms will clamp back down together and hold that vinyl together. So Andrew, the window's done. So we've now applied our Milgard label onto the window, and we now have this label affixed to it. This is the NFRC label. This is going to tell me my U value, my solar heat gain, and my visible light.
So you go up from this to a triple pane, but we'll worry about that another time. But for now, this is about as efficient a window as your hard-earned American dollars can buy you.